Forward Lamine Yamal said that he would not compare himself to Lionel Messi, and they put in the performance a 17-year-old Messi could have only dreamed in the one of the high all-time great Champions League semi-final ties. It led to him being called a genius, a cheat code and a phenomenal talent. Barca and the Inter Milan that ended up in the drawing 3-3 in their epic first leg encounter with the visiting fullback Denzel Dumfries involved in all threes, Inter goals, scoring twice and being named as the man of the match. But most of the global headlines will focus on the 17-year-old Yamal, who scored his 22nd goal on his landmark 100th Barcelona game. He also put on the masterclass, especially in the first half, to inspire a superb comeback after the Inter had 2-0 by the 21st minute. Yamal claimed a classy Champions League semi-final goal to go with one in the Euro 2024 last summers. Also already one of the best players in the world, and before he even turns 18. I don't think I have seen a 45-minute like from an individual before in my life. It is unbelievable, said the TNT Sports pundit, that is Ale McCoist, as the players walked off the pitch at the halftime. Inter Milan boss Simon also gave Yamal the highest of the praise afterward. Lamine in its kind of talent that comes along after every 50 years, and seeing him growing up and closely, very impressed by his performance, he said. Also, he caused us huge problems because we were supposed to double up on him and it wasn't enough. Barca boss Hansi Flick said that he's special, his genius. In the big matches he shows up. Also, if it's only comes every 50 years since, like Simon said, I'm glad it's for the Barcelona. BBC pundit Stephen Warnock called him a future Ballon d'Or winner. Also, one of the games of the season has everyone excited about the second leg at the San Siro in the Milan next week. A change of the pace from the Paris Saint-Germain's hard-fought 1-0 win at the Arsenal the day before. Also, there was a bit of drama between the game when the Yamal appeared that to hurt his groin and went down the tunnel during the warm-up, with speculation that he might not play. He did start but barely had an impact before Inter led 2-0 via the two fantastic goal. Marcus' 30-second backheel flick from the Dumfries cross and the Dutchman Dumfries flying close volley range.